Welcome to the Python Learn Together, Code Together. I think now we understood how to create our own module and as well as our own packages. Then how to use the other packages, for example, numpy, skippy, lots of other packages. How to import that, how to make those packages available for our interpreter. So, or our IDE or anywhere. So if we installed Anaconda or Spider or any Jupyter or PyCharm, there the lots of these packages will come free installed. That means they already installed that. For example, if I open the Spider, then we already saw that. If I just type import numpy, that means import numpy, then it will just import that file. It will not give us the error, because it is successfully imported. That means it is preloaded with all those packages. But if we installed our official IDE, it was not any preloaded with any of those things. And even in mobile, if you use the termux and if you use the Python, it is not come with the pre-built libraries because its size is very less. The Python interpreter or the IDE, its size is very less, and the main intention of this IDE is just to it is like a platform. It is not going to have the libraries and all the official IDE. There are only some few free inbuilt libraries for that. So now we will see how to install the packages. Okay, if it is already there, then that's good. Otherwise we will learn how to install. So for that I'm going to okay, now we will go to cmd command prompt, and before going to command prompt, we'll just open our Python interpreter. Now I'm going to import import some module, for example numpy, numpy, and when I click the enter, it will give module not found, no module named numpy. Or you can try with any other module. For example, I'm going to now import import okay, import CV. Okay, then it will give us the error, no module name CV. So what we can do in order to install the whatever the modules that are required for us, that means the packages, that for that in Python there is something called pip. That means pip, the full form of pip is pip installed packages. The full form itself, the pip installed packages. That means pip is it acts like a package manager. It will manage us to install the package, uninstall the package, in order to list all the packages, all those things. So for that we need to just go to cmd and just type pip. If we already installed Anaconda or anything, then it will gives us that means the pip will gives us the lots of things how to use and all. Now I intentionally deleted that, the pip. Now the pip is only not there in our computer. But in now in the recent days, the official IDs are now. That means if I go to python.org and if I download the 3.8, I already have that. Here you can see this Python is 3.8. It is come with the inbuilt built-in this pip installed. Pip is already installed, but now I intentionally uninstalled this because in some of the that means older official IDs, if we not installed Python 3.8, if you are using some older, that means Python 3.2 or 3.1, if you are using the older versions, at that time we will come to end up with this error, pip is not installed. Then how to install this pip, and from that how to install the different packages that we want. So at this time now I don't have the pip, I just have my official IDE. These problems may encounter if you if you delete something in environment variables or like that. This problem may encounter. Then how we can install this pip? Just go to Chrome and type this pip is it is from basically from pipy, that means pipy. Okay, this is from pipy. Okay, just type pipy and click enter. Now here you can see the pip.org. This is the official the Python package index. Click here, okay, and yeah, here you can see pip. Okay, instead of go to pip, you just go to pip. Okay, here you can see pip. Just go to pip because it is the the main thing from this pip. Okay, then here there are lots of how to usage and all those things. I think it is visible. Yeah. Now we just go to please take. Yeah, here you can see pip is the package installer for Python. You can use the pip to install packages from Python package index and other indexes. Okay. Yeah, here you can see that. And yeah, now we need to install this. So for that installation, click on this installation, and now it will going to show something. Do I need to install pip? Pip is already installed if you are using Python 2 2.7.9 or Python 3, that means 3.4, downloaded from python.org. It is already shown here. If you downloaded these versions, that means Python 2, which is greater than Python 2.7.9, greater than or equal, or Python 3, which is greater than or equals to Python 3.4. If it is less than, that means if we are using 3.2 or 3.1, then this pip is not come pre-installed. So for that we need to install this pip. So how to install that pip? You can see here, installing with getpip.py. To install pip securely, download getpip.py by the following link. Okay, we need to just download this. Yeah, I'm going to download this in a new tab. Yeah, now I think we need to download this file, but it is not giving download. Alternatively use curl. Yeah, we need to, yeah, here they said curl. Yeah, you need to use this command in order to download this. Okay, I'm going to copy this and in the command prompt, I think okay, cd desktop, cd desktop. Okay, cd desktop, and here I'm going to create. Okay, I'm going to just paste this, and we will see. Yeah, now it is going to download that. Yeah, it is downloading. You can see. Yeah, it is now downloaded. That we can confirm by going to the desktop. Yeah, here I think, yeah, here you can see this is getpip.py. It is that. Now it is get downloaded. Now what next we need to do? Then run the following command in the folder where you have downloaded getpip.py. Okay, that means now we are in the desktop folder, so we need to run this. Okay, Control C. So for a safer, we will just cut this and we'll just move to the some folder. Okay, I'm going to create a new, and here I'm going to write pip. Okay, then I'm just moving this file here. Okay, now I'm in pip folder. So in the command prompt, I just need to go to cd pip. Okay, now I'm in pip folder. Then what I have to do here, python getpip.py. I need to just run that using the Python. So here I need to run that. Okay, yeah, what's that? It is not copying and pasting. I think, yeah, it is Control C, and here just right click this. Yeah, now I need to click the enter. Now it is going to run that python getpip.py. It is going to run that Python file. Yeah, using cached pip successfully uninstalled pip 20.1, uninstalling pip 20.1. I think, yeah, pip is already there, but yeah, successfully installed pip 20.1.1. Now the pip is successfully installed. Then what it is showing? Okay, yeah, here we can see getpip.py also installs setup tools wheel. If they are not already set up, it requires to install source distributions. Yeah, I think now it is successfully installed. Yeah, it is installed now. We will check. We will just type pip. Yeah, pip is not recognized as internal or external command. I think yeah, we need to change our directory. Okay, we'll change and we will see cd dot. Now we'll just type pip. Yeah, it is not showing now. We already installed, but here you can see it is warning the script pip.exe and pip.exe are installed in C, users, app data, local, programs, Python 3.8 scripts, which is not on the path. Consider adding this directly to the path, or if you prefer to support these warnings, use no warnings. That means something we need to make changes in our environment variables. These problems we may encounter, because I only encountered this problem when I'm using this Python some days ago. So what we have to do means we need to add this in the path variable in the environment. What is that? Till here just type a control C. Okay, yeah, I just type the control C, and now I need to go to my computer environment. That is yeah, this PC, go to properties, and here you need to go to advanced system setting, and here you need to go to environment variables, and here we have that path. Okay, in environment variables, user variables for here path. Okay, path is there. If it is not there, you just need to create this path. Go to here, and variable value, here you need to paste that what we copied just now, or else here you go to edit, and yeah, here we need to add that. Okay, control V, I'm going to add that as a path, and yeah, I need to click OK. Now I need to move that to the second, so that yeah, move up, you just use move up, move up, move up, move up, move up to the second. Now it will going to in the Python 3.8, next it will comes to the scripts. Okay, now we will click OK, and we'll click OK, and yeah, now we'll click here OK. Now I think this variable is set properly. We'll check that. I'm again going to open this CMD, and here and just type cd desktop. Okay, now if I type the pip, then yeah, now we successfully installed the pip, because here you can see now here we are getting all these things. That means what are the commands that we can use in pip: install, download, uninstall, freeze, install a package, download package, uninstall a package. These are all the commands that we can use in the this pip by using this pip command. Okay, when we use the pip, all these packages are also there here. Okay, those packages are yeah, I think yeah, when we click the installation, it is coming from I think yeah, Pipa. This is the website. Okay, then here okay, here you can see download files. When we go to, yeah, this is now just pip, but in this website only we are going to get all the packages. Here you can see in this only there are lots of packages are there. Here you can see this many projects, this many releases. I think these are all lots of the packages. Here you can see here some also press the newest project releases, open source library for experimenting, tracking in SageMaker, jobs and notebooks. There are lots of, here you can see there are lots of trending projects, TensorFlow add-ons. These are lots of the packages are available. That means it is the it is proper documentation of all those packages. So here now we will check. Okay, now whether it's possible to install a package or not. Here I need to use pip command to install the package. Now if I want to install, now I'm going to install one of the most required package, that is the numpy. So numpy, and I'm going to click enter. Yeah, it is why it is yeah, it is not pip numpy. Yeah, sorry, it is pip install, because we need to install that. If you don't know what are the commands, just type pip. As I already showed here, you can see here the lots of the commands are there. Yeah, pip. Okay, here pip install, download. Here it is the syntax pip and command and options. Okay, pip command. So not, it is not just pip numpy. You need to use this command. So here we need to use pip and install numpy. Now we are going to installing this numpy package. It is going to collect this numpy. Yeah, it is a 13 MB. Okay, now it is downloading that whl.wheel. It is called as the dot wheel. We'll see what is this, why this is the format is .whl, all those things in the later sections. We'll explore why it is like that. Now it is going to download that package. Okay. Yeah, I think you have understand how to set those environment variables that plays an important role, because if we not properly know those whether that environment variable is set properly or not, then we may get errors. So yeah, now it is going to install, and yeah, it is collected one wheel. I think there are some more wheels are there in numpy. We'll see. It is downloading, installing collected package numpy. Yeah, it is collected, and it's going to install that. It's installing. Yeah, it is now. We got the message like successfully installed numpy 1.19.0. Now if I go to Python, and if I type import numpy, then you can see it is successfully imported. Now we are not getting the errors. That means now we successfully imported this numpy module. So in Jupyter and in remaining, for example, yeah, I'm going to use the Jupyter notebook. I think here it is inbuilt these things. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, it is opened. Yeah, in Jupyter we will see. I think it is already inbuilt because it is a huge size. This Jupyter is huge in size, so these are all packages. They will import import numpy. We'll check. I'm going to run this. Yeah, it is already inbuilt. That means these are all some modern IDs, so here it will comes with the inbuilt, and even in Spider, okay, even, yeah, sorry, I think even in spider, yeah, not this spi, yeah, even in Spider, that is basically from Anaconda. Anaconda is the very nice platform to use this Python. Yeah, now I open this Spider. In Spider and all, it comes inbuilt. Yeah, okay, now it's going to load. Yeah, okay, I think yeah, it is open now. The Spider is opened, and it's 3.7. It is not 3.8. Okay, and here, okay, now yeah, it will come now. Yeah, here you can see already I imported the numpy. It is there. Yeah, we are not getting any errors. That means this is already there. So almost these libraries are already there. Okay, now, yeah, I'm going to close this, and in a mobile also you can I think it is possible to install all those things. Yeah, here go to the termux, and here we need to just type clear. See, okay, here we need to just type clear, and just clear things, and here the pip is already installed. If it is not installed, you need to do the same process. Okay, but here in order to download, I think this will not going to work. This command, what is that? We'll check that. What is that command? What we used to download here? Something curl command we used. So where is that? Pip. Yeah, here it is not there. So again, we'll go to Chrome, and we'll just check what is that command. Pip install. Okay, and here I need to go to pip.org, and here installation. Okay, here I need to go to installation, and here, yeah, this command will just copy, and we will see whether it is going to download, and the procedures are same or is it different. And here, yeah, I just going to, yeah, here it is unable to paste this, so I need to type this. Okay, curl. I'll pause this and I will try. Yeah, I successfully typed this. It is the same like this. You can just compare http bootstrap.pyper.io get a pyper.py slash get a pipa that means pip.py. Okay, I just typed that and I'm going to click enter. Yeah, it is same as this command will going to work in both Linux as well as in the computer. So yeah, it is successfully downloaded, and same thing, you need to just call python then get pip.py. Okay, now I'm not going to do that because I think pip is already there here. If we install the Python 3.8, this pip sculpt's built-in. So here it is the built-in. So now I need to just call pip install install pip install numpy. Okay, we will click enter. Yeah, retrying. Yeah, it is giving something warning. What is that? I think some network issue or anything. We will check. Could not fresh URL, HTTP, SSL certificate, HTTP connect, something it is giving. We will check whether it's possible to install or not. Yeah, it is not installing because it is we encountered it. Could not find a version that satisfies the requirement of numpy. No matching distribution found numpy. Pip is configured with locations that requires TLS or SSL. However, the SSL module in Python is not available. I think in termux, I think it will not going to support. We will check that. We will check with another syntax like pip install because it's in termux. So pip install. Okay, pip install numpy and python 3. We'll check whether it is going to work or not. No, this is also not going to work. I just get this in some from internet. Yeah, this is also not going to work. We will see what other method we can use. Yeah, I found another command line pip install. Before installing that numpy or anything scripty, all those things, we need to install. That means we need to install this trusted host pyp.org because we don't have something called TLS or SSL certificate. So it is giving that error. So by running this, I think it may correct. Just look at this pip install __ trusted _ host pyp.org _ trusted _ host. I will share this command in a file and I will click enter and we will see whether it will going to solve our problem. Yeah, now it is warning pip is configured with locations. Yeah, again it is not going to solve that. But what we can do means we will install that. It is because I read somewhere in the Stack Overflow that it is because of that pyp.org that is in 2011 something. It is moved all those its files to some other websites. So because of that we are getting this error. So I think we can download that by using that curl, and we can use that Python in order to do that. So for that, first of all, we need to we will try that one. So we need to change our directory. So now pw, okay, and now I'm in pwd. It is storage emulated 0. Okay, now I need to go to okay, I'm go to cd. Yeah, now I'm in the internal storage. That's okay. Otherwise, for safety purpose, I'm go to my programs. That is I already created this. Now we are in my programs. That is you can see from here in the files. It is go to internal storage, and here what's that my programs. Now we are here. So now we will try with some that downloaded that one thing, and so for that we need to go here and yeah, here we just copy this and we will paste that and phone. Okay, we need to paste that for, yeah, I think yeah, I just pasted that, and now it gets downloaded in that directory, and we need to run that this command python get pip.py. We will run this, and we will check whether it will going to uninstall that, and whether it's going to possible to use that or not this one, yeah, this one. Okay, and I'm going to paste it. Yeah, we're going to run this. That means this is the new file that we downloaded now from the pip.pipa.io, but it is, I think it's not going to get pip.py. It is not going to install that. This method also fails. We'll check what the method will going to. Yeah, now we will see some magic. I'm going to type okay, now Python, and inside this import numpy y. You can see it's successfully imported. It's possible, but it takes around 10 minutes in order to install this numpy in termux, but I mentioned all the steps here how to install. These are the commands that we need to use. Here you can see from here we started getting errors. Where is that? Yeah, from here we started getting errors. Now yeah, this we tried and we get the errors. Now yeah, from here, where is that? Yeah, from here I started apt update y. First we need to update that. So here I already mentioned apt update y and app update upgrade y. This you can done in only one command, but I used the two commands, simply app update y, and after this complete the upgradation. Here again I used okay, where is that? It is going to update, and in between I used that apt upgrade. Okay, where is that? It is before this, I think. Yeah, here I'm going to search that. I think yeah, here you can see it is apt upgrade y. Okay, then it will okay, it will going to upgrade all those files. Then after that we need to use this command apt install clang fftw. That I used after this upgrade, and that we can see okay, what is that? These are all the upgraded things, and yeah, here we can see that yeah, here I think yeah, here you can see I used apt install clang fftw, that I already mentioned here, because we need to change something, some configurations in order to use the numpy in termux. So this we need to use, and after that I installed the wheel, that we can see here the clang is installed, and here you can see here I pip install wheel, then that this get installed, and after that I just upgraded pip install upgrade pip, because it is showing it is 19.2.3, so I upgraded that to 20.1.1 to the newest version. And after that we need to just type install numpy. Yeah, it is going to download this. This is the this one, which is that pip getting downloaded, and after the successful download it is going to install successfully uninstalled pip, and here you can see successfully installed 20.1.1. after that I typed pip install numpy, then it is again going to download this, but it takes some time, around 15 minutes, not here. Okay, then here I got something like here, okay, getting requirements to build the wheel done. After that it will going to just get stopped. That means you cannot find anything below. Just click on enter after some time, then it will gives us this. And after that building wheel for numpy pp517, this will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, just be patient, it will just rotating like this one a pipe symbol, it will just be rotating, and it will takes around 10 to 15 minutes. After that you will see created wheel for numpy, and it is going to successfully created. Then we can use this numpy, we can import the numpy. Okay, I think you understand how to install in termux. We can see in our directory what it is installed. Yeah, I'm going to go to instant storage, my programs, and here you can see it is get paper.py. Only this is that. That means remaining things it is installed. I think we will check in which directory I am now, because I'm not sure in termux. I'm not in that program directory. Control Z. Okay. Uh, Control Z. Yeah. PWD. Yeah, I'm in files home. Com.termux files home. Yeah, no. uh, Before, while doing all these things, you can do in any directory. It is not the specific thing that you have to be in any. You can even do all these things, all these commands. You can just write all these commands one by one. You can do these things in any of the directory. It is not the thing that here also I can use pip. If I call in this directory, if I call python, then I think I can use import. I am port import numpy, numpy. Yeah, I can import anywhere. That means one by one you need to execute these commands. This also I will share with the video. Okay, I think you understand how to install the numpy library, that, or that's not the library, numpy package in termux. I think you understand about this. Thank you.